What if I told you that a Chinese SUV is about to challenge Tesla, BMW, Mercedes, and even Porsche, all at the same time? Meet the all-new Xiaomi YU7 2026, a futuristic luxury electric SUV that combines stunning design, cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and incredible performance into one attractive package. From its bold front facet to its ultra-luxurious interior, from intelligent collision avoidance technology to breathtaking mountain adventures, this SUV is designed to redefine the future of smart mobility. Today on China Smart Cars Tech, we're taking a complete tour of the Xiaomi YU7 2026. So make sure you watch until the end because this SUV might be the most exciting electric vehicle coming from China right now. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the Xiaomi YU7 is its aggressive and futuristic front design. The sleek LED headlights create an unmistakable road presence, while the aerodynamic front fascia improves efficiency and enhances performance. The sculpted hood and sharp body lines give the SUV a sporty yet premium appearance. Unlike traditional SUVs, the Xiaomi YU7 embraces a modern electric identity with smooth surfaces and elegant styling. Whether parked in front of a luxury villa or cruising through the city, this vehicle instantly attracts attention. This is the kind of design that makes people stop and stare. Moving to the rear, Xiaomi has created one of the most elegant SUV designs in its class. The full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the entire rear section, giving the SUV a modern and futuristic appearance. The sporty roofline flows seamlessly into the rear design, creating a premium coupe-inspired silhouette. Every detail has been carefully engineered to maximize both beauty and aerodynamics. At night, the rear lighting signature makes the YU7 instantly recognizable from a distance. Although this is a fully electric SUV, the technology underneath is truly impressive. The advanced electric powertrain delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and exceptional efficiency. Xiaomi's intelligent battery management system helps optimize performance while maintaining safety and long-range capability. The engineering focus isn't just on speed. It's about delivering a smart driving experience that feels effortless every single day. The premium alloy wheels perfectly complement the SUV's futuristic appearance. Large aerodynamic wheels improve efficiency while maintaining excellent grip and stability. The performance tires provide confidence during city driving, highway cruising, and even challenging weather conditions. The wheel design itself reflects Xiaomi's attention to detail and commitment to premium aesthetics. Step inside the Xiaomi YU7 and you're welcomed by a completely different world. Premium materials surround you from every angle. Soft touch surfaces, luxury leather seating, ambient lighting, and a minimalist design philosophy create a sophisticated environment. The spacious cabin offers excellent comfort for both driver and passengers. A panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, making every journey feel open and relaxing. This isn't just transportation. It's a luxury lounge on wheels. The dashboard is where Xiaomi's technology truly shines. A futuristic digital display stretches across the cabin, delivering important driving information in a clear and modern format. The massive infotainment screen serves as the command center for navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, and smart connectivity features. Everything feels intuitive, premium, and designed for the future. The interface is fast, responsive, and visually impressive. Passengers in the rear enjoy first-class comfort. The spacious seating area provides generous legroom and headroom. Premium upholstery, reclining seats, climate controls, and luxury finishes create a truly executive experience. Whether it's a short commute or a long road trip, rear passengers can travel in complete comfort. This makes the YU7 an ideal family SUV. One of the most impressive features of the Xiaomi YU7 is its advanced safety technology. Using cameras, sensors, radar, and intelligent software, the SUV constantly monitors its surroundings. The collision avoidance system can detect vehicles, pedestrians, obstacles, and changing road conditions. Features such as lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and intelligent driving assistance work together to help improve safety. This technology isn't just smart. It actively helps protect you and your passengers. Imagine driving the Xiaomi YU7 through vast desert landscapes. The SUV looks absolutely stunning against golden sand dunes. Its powerful electric drivetrain delivers smooth performance while the futuristic design stands out dramatically under the desert sun. This is where adventure meets luxury. Even during rainy weather, the YU7 maintains its premium character. Water droplets reflecting across the pearl white metallic paint create a cinematic appearance. The intelligent traction systems and advanced safety technologies help deliver confidence in challenging conditions. Rain becomes part of the luxury experience. Parked high above the clouds, the Xiaomi YU7 looks like a concept vehicle brought to life. The combination of breathtaking mountain scenery and futuristic design creates an unforgettable visual experience. The vehicle's aerodynamic styling perfectly complements the beauty of nature. In snowy conditions, the YU7 continues to impress. Surrounded by snow-covered mountains and winter landscapes, the SUV demonstrates both elegance and capability. Its sophisticated technology ensures confidence while the exterior design remains stunning against the white backdrop. Now imagine the Xiaomi YU7 arriving at a magnificent royal palace. The luxurious architecture perfectly matches the vehicle's premium identity. This SUV belongs among the world's most exclusive environments. Parked outside a modern luxury villa, the YU7 becomes a symbol of success and innovation. Its sleek design, advanced technology, and premium character make it the perfect companion for modern luxury living. As morning fog surrounds a grand palace, the Xiaomi YU7 creates an almost cinematic scene. The soft mist enhances the futuristic lighting and elegant body lines. The result is pure automotive art. The Xiaomi YU7 isn't just about luxury and technology. It's also about family. Imagine parents and children enjoying a beautiful day together. The spacious interior, advanced safety features, and comfortable seating make every family adventure more enjoyable. This SUV is designed for creating memories. Parked beside a stunning ocean shoreline, the YU7 reflects the beauty of its surroundings. Blue skies, crystal clear water, and modern design combine to create an unforgettable scene. This is luxury freedom at its finest. The future of mobility depends on charging technology. The Xiaomi YU7 supports modern fast-charging infrastructure designed to minimize downtime and maximize convenience. At a futuristic charging station, the SUV showcases its commitment to sustainable transportation. Charging becomes quick, simple, and intelligent. The Xiaomi YU7 2026 is more than just another electric SUV. It represents the future of luxury, technology, safety, comfort, and intelligent mobility. From its stunning exterior design to its futuristic interior, from advanced driver assistance systems to breathtaking lifestyle experiences, Xiaomi has created a vehicle that deserves global attention. The big question is, can the Xiaomi YU7 become one of the world's most successful luxury electric SUVs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to China Smart Cars Tech for more amazing Chinese cars, luxury EVs, and future mobility innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Car High Voltage.